Just cruising into the produce market here. Checking things out. Very cool. Senora Tarifico is going to pick some lime. Tarifico picking up limes.
No, I forgot one.
Yep. You want a few more?
Squeeze some limes for us.
I don't know if this one right.
Mucho gusto. There you go. Here we
All
go.
right. Okay, we will.
Let me pass this down.
Squeezing that lime.
You know, from their lime juice, they were doing one.
What's your favorite thing to make out of Probably just fillets.
Got one añejo and one extra or ultra añejo. You can see the difference of the colors. It comes from the aging process. The more time it sits on the barrel, the more darker it will be. So we're gonna start with this one first. Then we add also an orange liqueur or triple sec, a little bit of sweetener, simple syrup. You can also add agave syrup or honey if you desire to. And also, last but not least, we will do a little bit of lime juice. Fresh squeeze, always better, okay? You guys are gonna make your own margaritas for maize, as you call it, maize, or maize. We have it right there. We have baking powder,
Yeah,
Royale,
okay.
salt,
Salt.
bacon fat, lard, right here. Each one of these scoops is 2 ounces, okay? So every time we add a scoop, it's 2 ounces. We're going to add about a cup or a cup and a half in between 4 and 6 scoops, okay? Between 5 and 6 is going to end up more or less, okay? I hope that we have about a cup and a half of lard. No, they will make, yeah, everybody's gonna make 2 tamales, yes.
Are we only do 2?
If you wanna make more, you make more.
22.
You can make as many as you want. But you probably need only 2. 6 scoops, so you'll do, for now, you can do 2.
5 or 6 scoops. No wonder they sent them for us.
Wow.
No?
Not too bad.
Just came out. My lady, I have some utensils for you.
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
There you go. 2 forks.
Yep, I said you did. Shredded chicken.
So then he said just shred.
Oh, well, that just came right off.
Yeah, that's awesome. You're doing a fine job over there.
One big matzo ball for everybody. No gefilte fish.
You can spill it over the zit. You call it zit?
Okay, you're sifting.
Or, yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Or straining, basically. So you have to be gentle, and you have to, your partner, to let him work it, okay? And also, you have to pay attention and work it, you know? Like, you have to be vigorous. But do it slow, otherwise we're gonna take forever, so.
Yeah.
Vigorous.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Easier if you do it like this standing.
Okay.
If you do it like this, might be more messy, because you might, like, throw it over the sides. So if you do it like this, easier. I'm giving you one insider, you know, insider tip.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
A little bit of grapeseed
Cider?
oil.
Oh, great.
Grapeseed oil.
That won't burn, that's what's.
Pour.
I have it, but I don't know what to do.
Slowly, and let him work too.
You have a lot of extra
More,
drivers.
faster. Yeah, lift that up, with this guy. There you go, right there in the air. You see that? There we go. Magic is happening.
Don't burn it and don't make it nice.
Believe it or not, is one of the actual, like, traces, direct connection to the Aztecs and the Mayans and the Toltecs. These are one of the oldest things that are still around, you know, that we still consume until nowadays. These are street food, by the way. These are like poor man's meals, basically. Why? Because the cornmeal is affordable. It's something that is filling.
I've been there. couple times already.
Oh, that's.